Learning Excel VBA could be so tedious and boring. Wake up! But in this course, we're gonna change the game. If you just look at the preview lessons, you're gonna understand what I'm talking about. We're gonna have fun. Now, if you are a beginner, so you can barely handle a dumbbell, you're gonna learn and build your knowledge step by step until you can run on your own. If you are more advanced, there are some crazy cool concepts that you can see. We will learn how to interact with Word documents so you can prepare your Word documents on their own. You will be able to create your own PowerPoint presentations, consultants here, and you will even be able to automate your emails and send them from the beach. This is not to forget user forms that will enable you to do crazy tools and wow your audiences. Now, in this course, you don't need to have an elephant memory. I'm gonna give you a crazy repository of codes. On top of this, I'm gonna teach you how to use technology like ChatGPT and others to be able to find the codes that you require. And finally, I nearly forgot, I need to introduce myself. My name is Rami and I'll be your instructor for today. I have an MBA from Harvard Business School on top of a degree in computer science, among others. I worked in consulting for McKinsey & Company, and for more than a decade, I was a vice president in one of the big banks. I was handling strategy, analytics, and artificial intelligence. And if I didn't convince you yet, you can give it a shot to this course and just taste the good content. I'm telling you, you're not gonna regret it.